How to set up Emergency SOS on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. Here, you'll find the available Emergency SOS settings. You can turn on Call with Hold and Release. When this is enabled, pressing and holding the side button and either volume button can start an emergency countdown. You can also enable Call with 5 presses. With this option turned on, quickly pressing the side button 5 times can start an emergency SOS call. Make sure you understand how these options work before enabling them, because accidentally triggering emergency SOS can place an emergency call. You can also set up emergency contacts through the Health app, so your chosen contacts can be notified after an emergency call. And that's how you can set up emergency SOS on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.